Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate money market fund investing with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in a money market fund with Fidelity, start by visiting the Fidelity website. Once on the home page, locate the login option in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Open an Account button to create one. Fill out the required personal information to set up your new account. After logging in, navigate to the Investing tab on the main menu. Under the Investing tab, find the option for Mutual Funds. Click on Mutual Funds to explore the various fund options available. Use the search bar to look for specific money market funds. Review the details of each fund, including fees, performance, and investment objectives. Select the money market fund that aligns with your investment goals. Once you've made your selection, click on the Invest button. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest. Confirm that your funding source is set to the appropriate bank account or existing Fidelity account. Review your transaction details carefully before proceeding. After verifying your information, click on the Submit button to finalize your investment. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your investment request has been successful. Take note of any additional account documents or disclosures that Fidelity may provide. Monitor your investment regularly through your Fidelity account dashboard. This will allow you to track performance and make any necessary adjustments in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.